Hey, what's up everybody? It's Luis here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be attempting to film widely known shots in the film industry, like in movies such as Interstellar or Batman. I'm gonna be pulling shots from different types of movies from directors like Steven Spielberg and Christopher Nolan and etc. And I'm gonna be attempting to film all of these shots on just a Glidecam. So I'm just gonna be using this Glidecam right here. The Glidecam HD 4000 has been very helpful to me in these last 2 years since I got it like about 2 years ago. I just bought it secondhand from somebody off of Facebook and it's been really great to me. I've used it in a lot of stuff that I've made, a lot of events that I've filmed at, events for my church, events for different clients that I've had. It's worked really well and it still works today, and I'm really glad. It only cost me about $300, I'm thinking, around, give or take. I'm gonna be attempting to try to do 5 different shots from cinematic movies and try to do my best to do the same and replicate the same shot. Probably won't have the same background because, you know, I don't have a whole team doing CGI, but I'm gonna try my best to do something similar to these shots that you guys are gonna see right now. So this first shot that I'm gonna be attempting to do is from the movie The Batman, The Dark Knight, and it's the part where they go ahead and steal from that bank or something like that. So let's go ahead and watch. As you can see, it's like he's moving forward. It's kind of like a dolly shot, and it's kind of going into that small area of his mask. He puts it on and he gets inside of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that as best as I can right now. All right guys, this is my attempt at Batman The Dark Knight. Check it out. The second shot that I'm going to try to attempt is from this movie 1917. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet. It's one of the greatest movies, honestly, I've ever seen. When I first went to go see it in theaters, as I started watching the movie, I was like, okay, this is a pretty long shot. And it just kept going and going and going. So that movie was basically shot all in one shot. I guarantee there was cuts and stuff like that, but they had really long takes. And I thought that was something really different. I'd never seen something like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt. I'm not gonna try to do it for 2 hours straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt to do the same thing that they're doing in this shot. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this shot never cuts. They just keep walking forward. They don't stop, and the camera's just facing them and it's just tracking them the whole time. As soon as they start going through and passing all these people, they start going inside of the trenches back in World War I think. So it's something really awesome. I'm gonna try to attempt it. I probably won't be in trenches though, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt it right here. All right guys, so I'm gonna be doing the film shot from 1917. So this is my best attempt. So number 3 on our list, I'm gonna be trying to attempt this same shot from the movie Minority Report. Honestly, I've never seen this movie before, but when I saw the shot, I was like, wow, this is awesome. He tracks him for a pretty long time, and there's a lot of fast-paced movement, and that's what I really like a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this clip looks like right here.
Hold that, please.
So that was a really awesome shot. I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt that right here. So So number 4 on my list, and honestly I think this is probably my favorite just because this is one of my favorite movies, just because I love space. This is the movie Interstellar. When I watched it for the first time, I was like, wow, you know, this is great. Also directed by Christopher Nolan. So honestly, this is a great movie. I was looking at different takes from the movie and I just really liked this shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt it. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the shot looks like right here. So as you can see, he's like walking up the hill, right? And as he's walking up the hill, it's revealing everything, all the landscape. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt that shot right here. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and try the movie Interstellar. We're gonna try to attempt that same shot. So let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so now we're on number 5 on our list, and this movie is the movie Justice League. Okay, I'm a Marvel fan, but I do like DC as well, and I just really like this shot in the movie Justice League, just because I like how it's tilting from the ground up, and I like how it's showing the greatness of Batman and the guy that was walking with the bag. So let's go ahead and watch this scene right now. So you see how it's starting from the ground, showing these pigeons, birds, newspaper, and it's sort of revealing that they're on top of a building after that. There's the bag, the guy with the bag. So I just like how this shot really introduces, you know, Arkham City. You know it's Arkham City just because of, you know, the newspaper. It's that really moody, dark feel. But as they're lifting up, so they're starting from the ground, they're going up. I really like that. It really just reveals the moment, you know, Batman's right there, and he's gonna go ahead and do what he does. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this shot right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt the last shot from the Justice League. It's right in the beginning of the movie. Let's go ahead and try it, give it a shot. Alright guys, so I just got done shooting all 5 of those videos, or I attempted to shoot all 5 of those videos with only the gimbal. Actually not the gimbal, the Glidecam. Let me know how I did guys in the comments. Thanks to my buddy.
Name's JJ, y'all.
Josue. We also got Josue back there. Let me know in the comments how I did on each shot. I know that a few of them were a little bit difficult, but a few of them I was able to pull off as best as I could, so just let me know in the comments. So I just want to thank everybody that watched this video. Honestly, I just want to, at the end of the day, I want to let you guys know that you can create films, you can create movies, you can create awesome stuff with just a camera, just a phone, and you know, I used something that was really inexpensive. You know, in these types of movies, they're using really big Steadicams, they're using really big motorized gimbals so that they can be able to achieve these shots, and obviously they're going to always be better in a film. But just because you don't have these things, don't stop yourself from trying to create and trying to do something with what you have. So honestly, so at the end of the day guys, honestly, I just want to let you know to work with what you have. Why? Because, you know, whatever it is that you have, a tripod, you have something like this, a gimbal, maybe you have some sort of motorized gimbal, you know, like the DJI Ronin S or something like that. You know, whatever it is, use it to your ability. Use with what you have, you know, work with what you have. Why? Because it's gonna help you, and later on in life you might be able to have access to these things, and you're gonna be grateful to yourself in the past that you were able to still use something with what you had. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to comment, make sure to share it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Why? Because it's gonna help me out in the future. So thank you guys for watching this video. Honestly, you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. It is a hot day in Utah today. Oh my gosh.